This is 7.5 task number 4, and for each of these problems we need to make sure that we have three things. First, we need to make and label a drawing. Second, write an equation. And third, solve. Do not forget to include units of measure. Number 4 says a flagpole casts a shadow that is 15 feet long. The angle of elevation at this time is 40 degrees. How tall is the flagpole? So we'll start by making and labeling a drawing. So I'll draw a little flag down here. Then we'll make it a Torrey Pines flag. And this flag casts a shadow that is 15 feet long. So if we have the sun over here, then the shadow would be down here, and this measures 15 feet. Now, the angle of elevation is 40 degrees. So if we connect the top of the flagpole to the bottom of the shadow, then it creates a 90-degree angle. And the angle of elevation is from the horizontal line looking up. So that's this one over here, and that is 40 degrees. Then we want to know how tall the flagpole is. So we'll label the height of the flagpole as x. Now to solve for x, this is where we use our trig ratios, but notice that we are given the side opposite of the 40 degrees, which is x, and the side adjacent to the 40 degrees, which is 15, so that is tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. So we'll go ahead and start writing our equation, which is step number 2. So we have tangent of 40 degrees, and that is equal to x over 15. Then we multiply both sides by 15 to get x by itself. So now we have x equals 15 times tangent of 40. Now our last step is to solve for x. So we'll go ahead and use our scientific calculator. This one is the Desmo Scientific Calculator. The link is in Google Classroom if you would like to use this one. Just remember that it needs to be in degrees. So that middle top where it says degrees, that's the setting that you want it to be on. Then we just write in 15 times tangent of 40, and we get 12.58. So if we round to the nearest tenth, then we get x equals 12.6 feet. So the flagpole is 12.6 feet tall. That was problem number 4. For the remaining problems, make sure to check all 3 steps.